me, Clarissa here on Clarissa Says, where Clarissa says it all and that's how I feel. So we are back with another video. This is going to be a quick unboxing video. The whole point of today's video is to showcase how fast Amazon Prime is. So this morning at around 9 or 10 a.m. I went online, well actually Brandon went online and actually ordered us some Airpods, which is like our version of Airpods because we actually don't have iPhones, we have Android phones, we have Samsung 9s, and so we got our version of Airpods, which are like earbuds that go in, and they're wireless, they're Bluetooth, they're very good with the mic, and I will show you guys a picture right there of what we actually purchased off of Amazon. And he also got a gold pyrite. You know what pyrite is? It's like fool's gold. It's very good with luck. It's really good with powering energy and brings success to you. I would definitely recommend you guys get one, especially beginning of the year for 2020. It is good to get clean, pure, positive, blessing, prosperity, energy to go towards you. Yeah. So we got the two headphones that are wireless and the pyrite, so you'll see that information right there. But yeah, I wanted to show you how fast it came. It said that it might arrive by 9 p.m. today, and it's actually 5:43. We got home, I say about 5:30. So the package came between 5 o'clock because we left at like 4:40 p.m. and then we got home like around 5:30. So between the times of 5 and 5:30, that's the time that this package came, way before 9 p.m. Now the best thing that I would recommend you do is to definitely check Amazon Prime with the items that you're ordering, because if there's a warehouse that is near your location, the package will get to you a lot quicker, especially on the smaller items. If it's like a AirPod or a bag, leggings, clothing, anything that's not really like a big, huge, like major purchase, like furniture and stuff like that, then you may have a chance to get the same day shipping, okay? Which we did. So I'm very excited to open this box. It was not that expensive. Both of our headphones that we received were like $29, which is really good because they're wireless. Yeah, $20 each. I said both of ours. So yeah, each AirPod. True. Yeah, guys, let's verify. They do have, but no, I can show you some cheaper options in the description box, because they do have cheaper Airpods. You don't have to get the ones that are $29. But we just wanted to make sure that we're making the investments, we're making the best decisions. So we actually go through the options and we actually like look at reviews and videos and people, and how people actually like the Airpods, and I think that matters. Whenever you do a purchase, I would say always check the reviews and always try to look at the product to see really what you're getting yourself into. So yeah, but I will list some cheaper options in the description box for those of you that also want AirPods or Airbuds that don't actually have iPhones. So, and I will also link some medium range. So they range from like $10 or $9 or $8.99. I think $8.99. So from like $8.99 all the way up to like $50. So we got like the middle range. This is how it looks, guys. I'm trying to make sure the glare. There you go. CWS earphones. And I want to open, so like I said, we have the earphones, two of these, and the pyrite. All came today in the same day. Okay, so let's open. As you can see on the side, it has the music, it has the battery, it has the earphone, it has the Wi-Fi, like I said, Bluetooth, and it has that you can make calls in the display for the showing of when a call comes through, or also ignoring if you're playing music, you can stop it, you can pause your music, you can play music, you can change your music, you can end calls, you can help hold calls. So basically anything with these earphones. So TWS earphones. Let's go ahead and open up the package and see how it looks on the inside. It does come with this little thing here. I can get it open. Here we go, my nails. There. So it is very secure. The packaging is very secure, so you won't have any problem with it transporting. It has two, but I'm not gonna worry about that side because hopefully even one side is enough. No, it's not. So yeah. So both sides are open. Okay, this is how it opens up. This is, it says you get your cash back. It says $10 cash back. Dear buyer, nice day. Thank you for trusting us and choosing our product. Is our product working properly? Please contact us if you have any questions about this product. And it leaves a Facebook page and an email. And it says, congratulations on becoming our lucky customer. New upload your reviews on Amazon and send review link and screenshot us. You can choose any product in our store to get $10 cash back. So if you do a review and you screenshot it and send it to them, you can get $10 off your next purchase off of their actual website directly, or their Amazon store for the other purchases or other products that you can purchase on their Amazon store or their website. So here it is. These are the earbuds. It's called Ephraim, I believe. Ephraim or Ephraim.
You're right.
Ephraim.
Right.
Okay, so it has this little thing here.
It takes a seat.
So I'm thinking that I'm pulling it out and it slides. Ooh, let's do that again. Let's do it from this angle. Ooh.
And it takes a seat.
It slides right out.
Very nice.
And it takes, yeah, like, as Brendan noticed, it takes a C, which is the same charger that we have, the Samsung. And these are how the AirPods look.
Put it in your ear. Test the quality.
I will. These are how the AirPods look.
They look nice.
And
high quality, right?
Yeah. They're magnetic to get back inside. It's a magnet.
Oh, so we could just charge it with a C cord?
Yes. So the charger, you could just go ahead and charge it with a C cord. Charger, I'm pretty sure, I'm going to just close it really quickly just so we can see if there's anything in the box, just to see. You never know. It feels, no, it's not empty, guys. So we're taking this out. This is the packaging, the foam to keep it in place. I would say keep this just to keep up the quality of your earbuds when you're not using them and you're, you know, at nighttime and you want to put them up somewhere safely. I would say put them in the box. This is the actual charger for it. But like Brendan said, if you have a C cord, you can just go ahead and use your phone, use it as a backup. And here are the instructions. So it shows their earbuds, and it shows that you have warranty up to 90 days. You have to have, up to 90 days you can return these. And there's also a 12-month hassle-free warranty to fix them. So you have up until 90 days to return them and get brand new ones, and a year to get them fixed. So here is all the options as far as you want to play, stop, what I was explaining to you earlier. And yeah, these are really good standard earbuds. So what I'm about to do at this moment, is go ahead and see if these earbuds are charged. If they are charged, I'm going to go ahead and put them in my ears, and I'm going to go ahead and record with you guys so you can see the quality of the earbuds and to see if you would like to buy them yourself, or just so you can see how the quality of earbuds are. Some of you guys are new, especially to Samsung or Android. You're new to these type of earphones, and so I want to make sure that you guys see that they do actually work and they are really good compared to just the wire headphones, because these are headless, wireless phones, earphones.
Pretty comfy.
And yeah, let's go ahead and try them out. These are comfy. Okay guys, so my earphones are now in and they are very, very comfortable. Per the instructions, what you do is you hold it for 4 seconds, or yeah, 4 seconds. The light will flash on 1, 2, 3. The blue light will flash on 1, 2, 3, and then once it's done like that, you can go ahead and pair it. So you'll go to your Bluetooth settings, and then from your Bluetooth settings you will go to scan, and then once you hit scan, you will then find the AirPods. It will be under audio, and you'll click that. Mine is like K010, I believe. So I clicked it, and it instantly connected. Now it did have 60% charge for us to be able to use them, and I did leave this red tag on them. This is to block off for the charging, because this little piece right here connects to the charging, so it's keeping that safe in the packaging. You don't have to keep that on. I'm just keeping it on for the moment, but these are how it looks up close. This is how it looks up close. Now I'm going to do a test call for you guys to hear, and then I'll be back. And just to mention it, these headphones are actually picking up on the background noises. They're very clear. It is very clear. It's a very clear sound. It's kind of like I have like a microphone right to my mouth. And I really do like it. Also, just to mention it, right now my hair is, you know, how I regularly wear it, and for the most part, it's completely undetectable. Like, you can't even notice that I have it in my ears. So these are really cool. Like, you can be at work, you can work out with these, you can cook, clean, you can be mobile doing this, you know, using these headphones, these earphones, and nobody would even know. They'll just think you're talking to yourself until they see this coming out of your ear. So I thought this is really cool. I'm glad that Android did come up with their own version of AirPods. If you guys have any questions about these, please leave in the comment section down below. If you have any comments, please leave them down below. If you have any reviews, I would appreciate you leave your comments and questions and reviews down below. If you have not already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, hey fam, thank you for joining me today on this video with this quick unboxing, Amazon Prime unboxing, FM, I'm gonna get the name right, Airpods, because they're not AirPods, they're earbuds and wireless earbuds. And for me to buy these for 29 bucks, I think that this is a really good buy. I do notice the difference in quality because I got some from Ross the other day for like $10, $11 and some change, and they were not as clear as this. The sound was not as clear as these are. So I would definitely recommend you getting a pair of these, because I know that these are really good wireless earbuds. Okay, with that being said, thank you for watching this video. Please go ahead and subscribe, share, like, comment down below, and don't forget to watch my other videos. I have lots of content that have recently gone up, and I appreciate you supporting by watching it, and I will see you on my next video. Peace, love, and tranquility, guys. Blessings. Bye.